Oh, it's coming.
No warm-up.
If you were to give him a Mario tip, what would it be?
Land. All right, guys, we're very excited to be back in the kind of Braille house side of, it's rained, we got rained out, so now we're in the side of the Braille house with
Alec.
Mr. Alec O'Grady. And how's your skateboarding been progressing there, sir?
It's been fun.
Oh.
It's been some time, but it's been fun.
It's been some time since what?
When's the last time you skated, Alec?
2 weeks ago?
What? Never again. If anybody would like to be on the Braille channel, leave it in the comments below, and we'll teach you how to skateboard. Alec, he's just fired because he can't skate in 2 weeks.
I was hired?
Right. So we made this video and it was on Facebook and people were tripping out about this. Leave it in the comments below. Okay, so we did a survey of the world of the internet and we said, what trick should Alec learn? We're going out of the regular skateboarding made simple pattern here. We asked the people spoketh, and do you know what they saideth?
They said strawberry milkshake.
Yeah, I probably shouldn't have told you that before we started. They said strawberry milkshake. So regular Alec Learns video, you have 30 minutes. If you land it, you get to eat this strawberry milkshake. If you don't, we get to smash it into your face.
Oh, so that, okay, good.
30 minutes. You've never let us down. You've never not once landed it within 30 minutes.
I think my first 2 videos, I didn't land it in 30 minutes.
Right, okay. The first thing I would like to ask you is, do you have any idea what a strawberry milkshake is?
Nope, no idea.
I just showed you one.
Well, I know, but
Do the jokes get worse every video, or is it me?
it's just you.
Oh, okay, good. This is what a strawberry
milkshake is.
milkshake
It's really going to blend your mind.
You see my,
How did that happen?
that's why my trucks are so loose, Gabe.
Oh my gosh. Okay, day one.
Okay, this is a strawberry milkshake. Not my best move. I think my truck is literally gonna fall apart. First try. That's a strawberry milkshake.
Can you do one going that way?
Wow, okay. What now, good? Hey, Suri, set a timer for 30 minutes, girl.
Okay, 30 minutes and counting.
Dang, your voice is smooth and
Do you
British.
always talk to Siri like that?
I do.
I can't tell if A, I'm nervous because,
You're a nervous boy?
well, either it's because I don't know what I'm doing, I haven't skated in 2 weeks,
A couple
or
days
it's
ago,
really
he
cold.
told me, I made a goal. The goal was within 1 year to put out a rap album. And then I was like, okay, you have a month left. The year's not over. And he said, I made the goal 2 years ago. So, Alec O'Grady rap album coming soon.
I'm not telling you anything ever again.
Yeah, like
Wait,
you didn't
did you
think I
really
was gonna
say that?
say that on YouTube.
This was last night.
Rap album coming soon. Don't be nervous. It's not
Fantastic.
cold.
What am I
It's
doing?
okay. You better do it fast because that strawberry milkshake. Look, I have a builder's pencil. I've been building lots of homes, AKA skate parks, AKA that one.
But how do you do this?
You'll see it someday.
It looks so weird.
Yeah, you're telling me, brother.
Okay. Who came up with this trick?
Strawberry?
And his brother, Milkshake?
Yeah. Feel like you should what?
Just go for it.
Yeah, just go for it.
Your front foot steps up.
Yep, drop it, flip it. Boom, jump on.
That is it.
Oh, winner, winner, chicken dinner. That was the worst one I've ever seen, except for mine.
What do you think, Troy?
I love strawberry milkshake.
Now you do it. I gotta get a good one, at least one.
That was amazing.
He's actually not bad. He's a really fast learner. If you would buy a rap album from Alec, leave it in the comments below.
No, I'm never telling you anything.
I'm free
If you-
promoting your rap album and you're not telling me anything ever again? Yeah. Dang, son! Yeah,
That was it.
that's right. It's more like
Yeah, you're going more like up. You need to bring it like out and around.
and your toe needs to kind of go like this. There you go. Like think ballerina, Christmas night. Candlestick Park. Told you! Perfect!
That's all that I had in my mind.
22 minutes and 22 seconds. Make a wish. Leave it in the comments below.
Oh, snap!
He legit could have done that. Here we go, Grady. Here we go. Did he almost fall walking, or was that just me?
Yo, that was it. Look at that smile of confidence on his face.
It's mostly just because it's freezing and I don't want that strawberry milkshake in my face.
Then land it, dude.
Alec, you gotta take it step at a time. Like step off, bring your back foot up, and then scoop it.
Don't listen to anyone. You are your own butterfly. Here's my here's my impersonation of Alec.
That is spot on.
That was accurate.
All my back foot wants to do is just kick.
Look, a ballerina has power, but she's also gentle.
I never liked ballerinas.
Hey, yo! Yo! Shh! It's your time to be quiet in my area! I'ma kiss you!
Sound deadening walls.
Oh, it's coming.
Is it bad that I liked it?
20 minutes and 0 seconds.
I felt, as soon as that happened, I felt the pain in my shin. I don't know how.
Sorry, the knee pad like took
You
most
didn't
of the
even hit
impact.
him. Please do not break your leg.
Oh, that was good.
17 minutes, 45 seconds.
If you land it next try, Braille will produce your rap album.
Produce it?
Yeah.
I want Aaron.
If you land it, I'll give you shoes. But I think we have some size 8s, right?
I think so.
15 minutes, 10 seconds. I realized the other thing that we did with this video, we didn't let him warm up. He didn't do ollie, didn't do 180, didn't do any of it. No warm up.
He's strawberry milkshaking higher than I ollie. That's not what works. Aaron, you're distracting him!
No, he's distracting me. You need to believe. If you believe, you will land.
If you were to give him a Mario tip, what would it be?
Land.
Thank you.
You're welcome. He almost knocked over your bike. More.
Everything
More
goes in
spin.
slow motion.
More scoop. Go, Grady, go.
Oh, wow.
Do not land like this. Land like this. If you would have had your feet like this, it would have been fine. Body! The people want to see you land it. You need to land. Dude.
Oh my gosh.
You're there. You're there. You got this. Oh my word! Land that! Land it!
I did. There was a wall.
Well,
I've never heard him get this loud. I'm kind of scared.
he's starting to fight back.
There you go. Stand up for yourself.
5 minutes, 58 seconds. That sound will not be part of the rap album. Not at all. Keep your feet on. That thing you're doing with your neck, not helpful.
Looks like he's gonna poop. Looks like he's gonna poop his pants.
1 minute 44 seconds. Why do I feel like time is going by really fast?
It is.
That would be really great if that was good enough to count. Do it again. Go. What do you mean do it again? You gotta roll away. That counted. Stay on that. Stay on it, O'Grady. 12 seconds.
Yo, one more try.
4, 3, 2,
Right here.
1. Oh! I'm just kidding. We'll give you that one you landed. You did great.
I think that one counted.
I think it was my high five that pushed him off. But I wanted to see if he could do another one within those 45 seconds. You did great.
My shins hurt.
Do they?
Yeah.
Tell me everything. Tell me.
There you go.
Hey Siri, are you okay?
Hey Siri, are you okay?
I'm just peachy. Or should I say, apple-ish?
What did she say?
She said, I'm just peachy. Or should I say, apple-ish. Got him! All right, so how'd it go? What'd you learn?
That trick was very difficult.
Was it?
You can really hurt your ankles,
Knees,
and your
elbows?
shins,
Yep.
and it was fun though.
But you're new to skating. You've done a few tricks. You've done ollie, front 180, back 180, pop shove, front shove. That's 5 tricks. Trick number 6, strawberry milkshake. So it is a beginner trick, more or
Really?
less. No?
I don't even think I can do that, to be honest.
It's a weird.
You can't?
I don't think so.
It's different than anything else we've done.
It is very different, very, very different. Well, you did awesome. I want you to think of anything that you could tell them through that computer screen so they can help to learn it as well.
Wherever you are in the world, you can do it.
And when you land on any trick, don't have your feet like this. Put them like this.
Yeah.
You're more stable. There you go. What trick should Alec learn next? Leave it in the comments below. And check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, and even you, learn how to ride a skateboard. Just like Alec, you guys can do it. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. We got you covered.